I enjoy and drink water more when it is carbonated and slightly flavored. So I love Bubly's flavors. This is their strawberry, and this is basically just a slight essence of strawberry to add to your carbonated beverage. It has 0 sweeteners and 0 calories. It really is just a natural essence of strawberry. And what's really cool about these is this one small bottle of concentrate will flavor up to 12 liters of carbonated water. Now they are branded to be specifically used for SodaStream, but you can use these with any carbonated water you want. All carbonated water is club soda, so whether you have a carbonator or are buying club soda in bulk, you can use these to custom flavor your water. Now the recipe on the side is for a 1 liter bottle. So for every 1 liter of carbonated water, you want to add about 3/4 of a teaspoon of this concentrate. I'm going to add it just to a small glass to show you just how easy this is. So here is a glass of bubbly water. The concentrate smell is very sweetly strawberry. And since this is so small, I'm gonna add the tiniest drop in. And you'll definitely wanna stir it as it all goes to the bottom. So in a cup, I'm gonna stir with a spoon. And if I had it in a bottle, I'd put the top on and I would gently shake it. Because it's bubbly water, you don't wanna shake it too hard, but you do need to get that flavor mixed throughout the drink. But I'm not gonna stir too much. It doesn't need much. It just needs enough for that essence to work its way through the whole beverage. It is fantastic, light essence of strawberry that makes my drink so much more inviting. So if you want a little strawberry essence in your water, give Bubly a try.